back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back today. I really appreciate it. So today's video, you guys have read the title. It is Halloween. I'm doing toddlers in tiaras. I'm doing a Halloween toddlers in tiaras look and I'm really excited about it. Shout out to this girl on Instagram who messaged me and suggested this and I was like, oh my god, that is like the best idea ever. I think it'd be really fun, and so that's what we're doing. So I have like the entire outfit. I've got everything sorted. I'm gonna really quickly get everything ready for all of our looks. This is gonna be quite a simple look, but like very effective, I think. Anyway, I'm gonna get everything sorted and I'll be back and we'll decide. So see you guys in 2 seconds. Bye. Okay, so straight away, starting off, let's do some foundation. So going really full coverage. So I'm taking my Kryolan paint stick. We're not covering the brows. And we're just going all over. Foundation's done, a little bit of concealer. Doing really full coverage everything because obviously kind of want to look like a doll. So really getting in there. I'm gonna just take straight up. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna add a little bit of contour. This is just the Revlon concealer in Deep Fonce. What the hell that means? So these girls are like very, very tanned. They're all like covered in fake tan. So we are gonna do the same thing. Gonna be very tan. So we're gonna come back in and do a lot more with powder, but for now, let's start setting this. So I'm just gonna take my Airspun. So a huge part of this look is like, sorry, making the skin super, super matte. I don't know why, but that seems like such like a pageant thing, is like really matte skin. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know, but that's what I feel. Okay, cool. Take a big brush, pull all that back. All right, bronzer. So much bronzer. I'm literally just gonna kind of cover this all over my face. Make sure you have a matte bronzer, like we were just talking about. Everything needs to be super matte. She is bronzed. All right, I'm gonna go with a little bit more powder. This is just like a foundation powder. And put a little bit of this underneath the eyes. Okay, a little bit of blush. So again, make sure it's matte. Well, not really a little bit, we're actually gonna kind of do quite a bit. Okay, right on the apples of the cheeks. Kind of just trying to be a little bit careful. So we're gonna start with some shadows. So I'm just taking a matte white shadow, super basic, and I'm actually gonna use a piece of paper here because we want this to be like super precise. And we're just gonna cover the entire lid with this white. Now I'm going to go in with a tiny bit of blue. Just again, a really matte blue. I'm mixing it with a little bit of the white so it's not so dark. If you have like a baby blue, that's probably better. I'm actually using the Kat Von D pastel goth palette. So the blue and the white on the end there. Okay, so again, kind of bring this all the way up to the brow bone. It's all very, very dramatic. Lightly blending it out. I'm gonna move into a small brush now. I'm gonna go in with some dark colors. I'm gonna add this blue in with this gray. Just on a flat brush. I'm taking a smaller brush, small little flat brush, and that gray. And what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna create a bit of a crease up here, I think. Just with that gray color. Time to move down the bottom. So taking that smaller brush, mixing in a bit of the blue with the gray, and we're gonna start lining the bottom here. Sorry, so before we do that, I'm gonna actually just line my waterline with some white. All right, now continue on with the underneath. Okay, so I'm gonna take some brown. This is just like a plain matte brown on that small little brush. Mixing it with a bit of black actually. I'm gonna start sort of like outlining the entire eye. Okay, now very lightly going in with that same black, a little bit of the brown, taking our paper again, and we're gonna start sort of blending this up. Okay, you guys, I think this is it. Let's do some mascara. Lots and lots of mascara because I'm not gonna put any fake lashes. Okay guys, this is scary. All right, let's do some eyebrows. So their eyebrows are very like, the situation. So let me get my stuff. Like the goal is to kind of not have very good brows. Like the brows are kind of, they're not good. So they're kind of a little bit thicker at the front and then they go really thin at the back. Okay, so I think that's good for the eyebrows. I'm gonna go back in with our white. Use this really to highlight underneath the brow bone there. Just putting a little bit of white eyeshadow on the tip of my nose. Because again, like I said before, we're not gonna do any highlighter or anything. We want everything to be super matte. But I still want there kind of to be like high points and low points. Alright, lips. So, we need some pink, baby pink lips, really, really glossy. Okay, so for lips, we're going to take the Kat Von D Everlasting Lip Liner in Saint. So really light pink lip liner. Alright, now we're going to go over with the Marc Jacobs lemarc lipstick in Jolly Molly. So I feel like I need this to be a tiny bit more like brown, kind of. This is the lemarc liquid lipstick in Strange Magic. And it's a little bit lighter as well. Okay, that's better. Now, taking a little bit of my concealer just on my finger here. Putting this right in the middle. Just for a little bit extra highlight. I just added a little bit of the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. Just right in the middle. Smells so good. Yeah, never noticed that. Okay, guys, I think this is it. Oh shit. I think this is the makeup. I have an entire outfit, like I said. I've got hair, I've got accessories, which I'm really excited about. Okay, I'm gonna go put on my outfit and then I'll be back and we'll be done. So I'll see you guys in 2 seconds. Bye. Okay. Okay guys, I'm back. So this is the finished look. Don't I look fucking terrifying? Like, this is actually scary. I think it's really, really crazy. Okay, so this is the finished look. So this is my Toddlers and Tiaras look. It's kind of turned out to be like Toddlers and Tiaras meets like 80s prom. Because like the dress that I found was very 80s. It's like this blue metallic sort of big ruffled sleeve situation. But I actually really love it. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed that. This hair, I had this hair. It was a total mess. It was a completely different style and I just styled it myself. It's got this like big thing at the back. Just like a lot of curls. Oh. She ain't glued down, boys. But then we just have like a little tiara, a little bow, and like a little sash because obviously she won. Obvious. So anyway, this is it. I really hope you guys enjoyed that. This is our first Halloween look. Please make sure to go over to my Patreon to see another Halloween look. This is going to be every single week, 2 looks on my YouTube and my Patreon. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!